it's Joey the Truth Atlas here. Just finished up a Saturday training session with some of the local moms that I meet with once a month on Saturdays throughout the year. Just finished our lower body sculpt and burn, and they've all gone home to get into their day, but they said there's one exercise you got to share with these other ladies on social media today, because it is awesome. Because it can be done if you have bad knees, if you have a bad back, if you have other issues that bother you, bad hips. This exercise I'm going to show you is awesome for battling cellulite, those dimples, ripples, and shadows. This starts to get rid of it. It's good for helping with your knees, good for helping with your hips, good for helping with your back. So I'm going to get right into it. Now, after I show you this one, I've got 3 more for you. To get those 3 for free, all you got to do is hit the link below or above here, and I got 3 more awesome exercises specifically for women who battle and want to get rid of cellulite, the mushy dimples, ripples, and shadows, and they want to sculpt, tone, and shape all those problem areas. This is the first one right here. Knees in front, top leg out front, toes pulled up toward you, not away, but toward you, like this hand in front here. You could do this anywhere. You could do this on the side of your couch, on the bed, on your floor with a fitness mat or a yoga mat, even a thick towel. And like you see me, I'm doing it outside on the playground on the soft tire surface here. Here we go. I'm gonna lift up slowly, 45-degree angle. We come down slowly, touching the ground, very slowly. The key is to move slowly here on this unique type of move. Here, pause, and then down. Slow and steady. We don't want momentum. We do not want momentum. Momentum defeats the purpose. When we move slowly like this, we get all these muscles in the glutes, the thighs, outer thigh. Yes, even the inner thighs are working a bit here. And we're battling the root cause of cellulite. We're toning, shaping, sculpting, rebuilding, re-engaging, refiring, reawakening the muscles, the nerves, the fascia, the connective tissue, ligaments, tendons, properly, safely, and gently, without breaking our bodies, without busting up our joints, and without killing ourselves. Woo! I'm feeling this big time. Yowza! Big burn here. Super big, deep burn. No squats, no jumping, no heavy weights, no beast mode, no killing it, no boss lady, weightlifter girl crap, none of that stuff. So we do the other side, go for 4, 6, 8 repetitions. And again, after that, click below or above to get 3 more totally free exercises that you can combine with this that will help you sculpt, shape, tone. I'm out of breath because we just finished a full session here, so I'm spent. You can see. That's it. Click the link. I'll see you on the next page, and you'll be glad to see me there. Bye.